Okay, so this is initializing variables with the assignment operator. It is common to initialize a variable to a initial value in the same line as it is declared. Oh, so this is what I said earlier. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now I understand. So they're basically making you understand the very basic, then they'll teach you the shorthand. Okay, so okay. It says create a new variable called myvar and assigns it an initial value of 0. Okay, so it says define a variable a. So you want to define a variable a with the keyword var and initialize it to give it or assign it the value 9. Oh, I understand. So they're really breaking this down for you. So free code camp, if you really don't know anything, it would actually break it down to the bare bones, I guess. Let's see if this is right. Yep. Okay, seems like these videos are getting short and shorter, but let's move on.